Hello guys, welcome back to this channel Berani Belajar, kalian harus berani. Kali ini kita masuk ke unit 12. Ya Allah, rasanya ya udah di unit 12 saja ternyata. Kita akan membahas penggunaan for and since, when and how long. Jadi agak tricky ya ketika kita pakai when dan ingin mengatakan how long. Nah, itu ada perbedaan penggunaan tensesnya gitu ya. Nah, oke, langsung aja kita kayak biasa, langsung ke bagian A. Nah, we use for and since to say how long something has been happening. Kita menggunakan for dan since. For and since. For kan kayak selama, kayak since sejak ya. To say how long something has been happening. Mengatakan seberapa lama sih sebenarnya sesuatu telah terjadi gitu ya. Use for. Nah, kalau for ini dia plus a period of time. Period of time. Kalau since the start of a period. Kebayang nggak sih, misalnya aku udah belajar 2 jam. Misalnya sekarang kan jam 20.10 tuh, kalian lihat sebelah kiri atas, jam 20.10. Nah, kalau misalnya aku bilang aku udah belajar sejam yang lalu, bisa. Dari sejam yang lalu bisa. Atau aku bilang aku udah belajar dari 19.10. Kan maksudnya sama, berarti aku udah belajar 1 jam. Sekarang kan jam 20.10 gitu ya. Kira-kira seperti itu. Atau contohnya ini tadi ya, for 2 hours ini, 2 hours ago and now. Ini since 8 o'clock ke now, berarti sini jam 10 lah berarti. Oke. So, kalau misalnya for, biasa kita pakai misalnya contohnya 2 hours, 20 minutes, 5 days, a long time, 6 months, 50 years, a week, age, years. Pokoknya dia a period of time, ingat aja period of time. Tapi kalau misalnya si the start of period bisa 8 o'clock, Monday, 12 May, April 2001, Christmas, lunchtime, we arrive. We arrive itu pun juga menandakan start of period ya. Aku sampai, berarti disitulah kita mulai. I got up. Nah, contohnya, Sally has been work here for 6 months. Not since 6 months, for 6 months. Karena dia bilang period of time, for 6 months. I haven't seen Tom for 3 days. For 3 days. Karena dia bilang period of time. Tapi kalau misalnya ini Sally has been working here since April. Since April berarti start ya, start from April until now. Makanya kita pakai since. I haven't seen Tom since Monday. Nah, since Monday, sejak ini, makanya pakai ini pas. Kemudian kita masuk yang ke bagian B. We often leave out for, but not usually in negative sentence. Biasanya kita kayak menghilangkan for-nya ini. Misalnya, Sally has been working here 6 months. Boleh ya. Biasanya kayak gitu. Tapi kalau untuk kalimat negatif atau negative sentences itu kita nggak biasa ngilanginnya. Jadi kita tetap pakai contoh gini. They have been married for 10 years. They have been married 10 years. Yes, boleh aja gitu. Kalau misalnya tapi ini, they haven't had a holiday. They haven't had a holiday for 10 years. Nah, kita membutuhkan for. Nah, for 10 years. Jadi nggak boleh, jarang disingkat ya kalau untuk negative sentences. Kita menggunakan in instead of for in negative sentence. I haven't. Kita dapat menggunakan in selain dari for kalau misalnya kita mengatakan kalimat negatif. Contohnya yang tadi ya, sebelumnya juga, they haven't had a holiday. Harusnya kan for 10 years. Tapi ini in 10 years juga boleh. Kita tidak menggunakan for untuk all. Kalau ada kata all, misalnya all day, all my life, all day long, atau all the time, nah berarti itu kita nggak bisa pakai for lagi. I live here all my life, not for all my life. Itu nggak dipakai ya, seperti itu. Berarti I live here all my life, not for all my life. Oke, kemudian yang masuk ke yang C, compare when itu pakai yang past simple, sama how long pakai present perfect. When did, yang kita masuk ke pembahasannya, when did it start raining? When did it start raining? Berarti ini pakai yang past simple ya. It started raining at an hour ago, at 1 o'clock. Seperti itu, oke. Ini ya. Kemudian yang ini, how long has it been raining? Sudah berapa lama ini hujan gitu ya. It's been raining for an hour. Dia nanya kapan, ini tanya udah berapa lama, itu penggunaannya. Sama-sama lampau gitu ya. Kemudian nih, when did Joe and Kate first meet? They first met at a long time ago. Or they first met when they were at school. Oke. How long have they known each other? Nah, ini nanya kan how long. When sama how long ya. Kalau berarti how long kita pakai present perfect ya. They've known each other for a long time. They've known each other for a long time. Karena ya for a long time. They've known each other since they were at school. A long time itu kan a period of time kan. Kalau since itu nanya kan kapan dimulai kan. Long time ago berarti pakai ini. Pakai for. Since-nya tadi they were at school berarti ini apa namanya? Started-nya ya, dimulai. Nah, seperti itu for a long time. Tapi kalau misalnya for tadi kan saudara bisa dihilangin, berarti they've known each other a long time. Ya, tapi kayaknya bagusan pakai for sih. Lebih enak gitu. Kemudian yang di we say it's a long time since something happened, or it's been 6 months since something happened. Oke, aku agak ini. It's a long time or it's been 6 months since something happened. It's 2 years. A long time ya, ingat a long time. Jadi udah lama gitu. Udah lama banget. It's 2 years since I last Joe. Or it's been 2 years since I last saw Joe. It's age since we went to the cinema, or it's been ages since we went to the cinema. How long is it since Mr. Hill died? How long has it been since Mrs. Hill died? Oke, berarti kita bisa kalau misalnya pakai it's or it's been itu bisa dipakai untuk since something happened tapi dia udah lama gitu ya. It's 2 years since I last Joe. Last since ini ya. Ini it's 2 years since I last saw Joe. It's been 2 years since. Nah, it's ages since, it's been ages since. How long is it since? How long has it been since? Ya, seperti itu ya. Jadi boleh dipakai antara itu dua. Kemudian kita masuk ke exercise. Jadi exercise dulu kita nih biar kebayang lah ya. It's been raining since lunchtime. Oke, ini betul juga. Contoh ya, pasti betul ya. Oke. Paul has lived in Brazil. Karena dibilang dia a period of time, bukan since dia kapan dimulai, maka ini harusnya for. Nah, for 10 years. Tapi nggak pakai for juga nggak apa-apa, dihilangin. Asal kalimatnya negatif, apa positif ya. Kalau negatif harus dipakai. Atau pakai in juga boleh. I'm tired of waiting. We have been sitting here for juga. Kalau nggak pakai juga nggak apa-apa. Kevin has been looking for a job since he left school, karena dia dimulai startednya kapan gitu ya. I haven't been to a party, karena dia bilang a period of time, berarti pakai for ya. I wonder where Joe is. I haven't seen him last week, berarti since ya. Jane is away on holidays. She's been away since, karena dia startnya di Friday. The weather is dry. It hasn't rained a few week berarti a period of time, berarti for. Tapi kalau nggak pakai juga nggak apa-apa sih harusnya. Ini 12.2 kita disuruh ngapain? Look at each answer and choose the right questions. Jawabannya ini 10 years ago. Pertanyaan how long have they been married? When? Enggak lah, when kan kapan ya? When did they get married? Is correct too. Tapi ya untuk pertanyaan ini cocoknya yang si how long ya. How long? Jawabannya about 5 years. About 5 years. Kalau when enggak lah ya, berarti how long ya. Jawabannya how long juga. Benar kan ya? Kemudian only a few minutes. Berarti ini how long juga. September berarti ini when. Nggak perlu dibaca sebenarnya kalimatnya. Last week how long berarti when, kan nggak mungkin how long ini. A long time berarti how long. Coba kita cek lagi. How long have been waiting? Okay. When did your car start? Okay. When did Anda in London? Okay. How long have you known each other? A long time. Okay. Nice ya, mudah ya. 12.3, read the question and complete the sentences. It's raining. It's been raining since lunchtime. It started raining at lunchtime. Ini sedang hujan. It's been raining since lunchtime. Dibilangnya since kan pakai si ini apa namanya? At lunchtime. Oke, boleh juga. Anne and Jess are friends. They first met years ago. They've known each other for years. Mark is unwell. He became ill on Sunday. He has apa ya yang cocok? Berarti he has been ill since Sunday, karena kan bilang started of time ya. Sarah is married. She's been married for a year. She got Sarah is married. She's been married for a year. Pokoknya kita ingin mengubah kalimat itu sampai lainnya ya. She got married a year ago. You have a headache. It started when you woke up. I've had a headache since I woke up. Karena I woke up ya. At 9 o'clock berarti since ya juga. Sue is in a meeting at work. It's been going on since 9 o'clock. The meeting has started at 9 o'clock. Since berarti at 9 o'clock, or begin juga boleh ya startednya. You're working in a hotel. You started working there 6 months ago. Kamu bekerja di hotel. Kamu mulai bekerja 6 bulan yang lalu. I've been working here. I've been working here or in a hotel for, karena dia bilang 6 months ago kan itu period of time kan, 6 months ago. Or bilang ya, I've been working here 6 months ago. Udah, I've working in a hotel 6 months ago. Gak usah pakai ini, gak pakai for juga gak apa-apa. Kate is learning Japanese. She's been doing this for a long time. For a long time berarti pakai udah jelas ada pakai for ya. Kate started learn Kate started learning Japanese. Kate started learning Japanese a long time ago. Karena ini langsung started ini ya, pakai yang when berarti. Gak how long, when, jadi ya. Kate started learning Japanese a long time ago. When. Yang ini loh pembahasan yang when sama how long, kalau when past simple sama present perfect. Kemudian yang 12.4 complete be sentences. Contoh yang pertama, do you often go on holiday? No, I haven't had a holiday for 5 years. For-nya harus dipakai karena dia negatif. Tapi kalau misalnya yes, kalau misalnya dia positif boleh dihilangkan for-nya. Have you seen Lisa recently? No, I haven't seen Lisa about a month. Kayaknya kurang cocok juga ya. Pakai for ya berarti. Kan about a month. Karena dia period of time. I haven't seen Lisa for about a month. Do you still go swimming regularly? No. Nah, a long time itu juga pakai for. Tapi ini kebetulan pakai yang perfect ya kita. No, I haven't been swimming. I haven't been swimming for kan berarti for a long time ago. Do you still ride a bike this day? No, I haven't karena kan regularly kan. Recently, this day, I haven't been ride. Berarti kayak mana nih? Sebentar. Do you still ride a bike this day? I haven't. Berarti ride langsung ya. Ride itu apa ya? Ridden ya. Ridden. I haven't ridden a bike for age. Okay. Now write B sentence. Now write B its answer again. This time use its and since. Now it's 5 years. It's 5 years since I last had a holiday. No, it's about a month. It's about a month since I last saw Lisa, and I last saw her. No, it's no, it's a long time ago since I last went pergi kan, go swimming. Number 4, no, It's age since I last written. Tapi kan kalau pas nggak verb 3 ya, wrote ya berarti. I last wrote a bike. Atau pakai it's been age juga boleh, atau it's been a long time juga boleh. Tapi ya kayak gini juga. Oke, ini 12 dari 145. Keep learning guys, semangat semuanya untuk mencapai cita-citanya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you all.